All right, y'all. So we're going to be in my POW planner. And I think the hours, I need to check how far I got on the hours one. But we'll be using Essential Joy, see how far we get with these, and then maybe some Love and Light Charm too as well. So let's get to it. All right, y'all. So this is the Angie shop, Essential Joy. So I'm going to go through that. The next video, you saw it in a previous video. What I had there. My PAL, I'm still playing around with how I want to use it. I found out another way to use it. I think I want to use it is going to be, and you can see a lot of the spreads. Some of the spreads I haven't even written in because I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to use it for next year. And you're probably saying, Ray, why did you fucking get it if you're not going to use it this year? Well, that's what the whole point is. I had to figure out what I'm going to use it for. So I have to get it this year. So I'm going to start using it. And I kind of like it. There's not a lot of videos about how to use the PAL. So, I'm going to use this as my pointer. Okay. So the PAL is plan action log. These dots right here, you can actually use as a start and an end date, a start and an end, or the start and the end, from what I remember from watching them explain how to use it. So you can use it as a start and end from it, like it's on the little planner. It's on the, when you get this, it gets like, I don't know how to use type of thing. So you can use it as a start and end. Like if you're doing cat, like you can do the time or the day, like where you're at. If you want to do a tracking of the log of water, each section could be, you got your 4, you did 12 ounces of water. You know what I mean? So you can just highlight, and highlight. And you can use this one too. You can use it as a whole or as two. You can start it from there and then go around. Usually it's your plan and then what action you took for it, like your log, basically. What I want to use it for is, since I'm having trouble, I have to do a lot of public speaking, and I don't like to do that. But in my line of job, I have to start doing that if I want to promote. So with that, I started looking into articulation exercises and lessons. So I think with that, I'm going to start doing them here, like the simple little lesson, write it down and what I did. Write it down, and if I did, but if I speak fast, and I know y'all know that. So I speak really fast, and I want to start tracking, okay, what is the thing? Did I speak fast? How did I like it? And then the next one, what I did, what the lesson is, and then how I felt about it, or if I did well, or however it is. You know what I mean? That's what I want to kind of do. That's what I want to use this. Before I was tracking a bunch of different stuff, or just, word of the days. Did I switch that word of the day for something? I was doing the word of the day here, actually. But it wasn't just, I couldn't, so with me, I'm the type of person where I have to use something to its full extent. And I don't like to not use it to a full extent. I don't even remember if I posted any of these. I know I posted that one. I don't think I posted this one or that one. This one's not that. Okay, whatever. But that's what we're going to do with this one. I'm going to use, let's see how far I got on the hours. On the hours, the same thing, but I think on my hours, I'm going to use it just as a reflection, as I've been using it. See, I still need to catch up on this one. Well, this is for this week. So I need to write on this one still. I still remember my days. I need to post it still. I haven't written it. I haven't taken pictures of it. I haven't taken pictures of this one either. But I'm pretty far on this one. I'm out 3 weeks in advance to the 4th. May 6th is my birthday. But yeah, these are just little logs. I was doing this on here. This is where I got my idea from, doing the one on whatever. But I was putting every week or every 2 weeks up spread that I liked and put it in here. And then so I can keep track of whatever. Not really keep track, just memory keeping on my social media. Sounds stupid, I know, but just use it. But like I was saying, I have to use this planner I have to use it to its full extent. And sometimes I don't feel like I do, and that's why I start using it differently. And that's why it comes down to where I wanted to use it, how I'm using it currently. I want to play around with it, see how I'm going to use it and all that shit. So I think we're gonna use these two. Yeah, let's use these two. I think she'll be more approachable for me than her. But yeah, let's get to this. And I have some quotes there as well, so. And I can't do this straight, so I'm gonna kind of lean it off into something and then always have to be something different. I know, I'm sorry. But she's not go here. I may end up using her. See, I just like the way that looks. It just gives it a little, I don't know, a little bit more vista, like my mom used to say. My mom says. Okay. Use this one. Wait, let's put her here as well. I kind of don't want to use. It's the only bad part of this paper. It's gonna fucking tear it real easily. I don't know why I got this chair. I probably won't use it. Let's do for that for right now. So like with this, and let's do this. Nope, it's staying there. I don't know if I want to use a keyboard because I'm like thinking until I probably use that computer, but let's use these. Let's put this candle up here. Like it's kind of like on the books. Or you know what, let's cut it straight. A little off. We can make it really look like it's on the books. Like it's supposed to be a sticker together. So let's put this, get these pans, and get this drink. So I can, oh, you know what, I'm gonna put it behind her. Dude, this weather is crazy down here. I don't understand it at all, whatsoever. Let's see. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the rain right now. And I think my mind is like, I woke up with the worst crick in my, like a crick in my neck. Is that how we say it? A crick in your neck? Como torcido? I don't know. I think that's what it means in English. Like, my neck was like stuck. I don't know. Whatever it is, y'all think y'all get it. So yeah, I did that. I woke up really, really bad with the whatever on my neck. I'm like, fuck. I did that really fast. It's only been 10 minutes. Let's do maybe some highlighting. No. You hear it? Ahora sí. Nah, it's too dark. What I'm gonna do is just highlight some of it. Yeah, I don't know whether I want to highlight it or not, because I'm like, oh. If I do this one, I have to do this one. If I do this one, I have to come down here and do these. Should we do it? You know what? Fuck it, right? Let's do it. Sorry, Logan Tito, if you're watching this. I'm cussing. I know. Do not talk like you're Theo Ray. And then I only have 2 colors. Yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna just skip 2, and then we'll do the middle of that. Yeah, I don't know if it matches or not, but we're not talking about that right now. Okay, then this one, right? Let's do it on this side. I was supposed to do this one. No. Either way, I'm screwed. Let's just do this side one over here. That way there's some color, and we can use these 2 like that. And that way it's not here, and it's not next to this one. Okay. And I think these are Erin Condren. I don't know where I got these from. I think it was like part of the D stash somewhere. I think I just got them for that reason. We're D stash. I was like, oh, let me see how they work. Which they're not bad. I like them. I don't know if I'd buy them though. But that's the main reason I like finding stuff like this in D stash. Because like I see them and I'm like, oh, I should get it. And then I'm like, oh, well, maybe just try it. And that's pretty much what I did. All right, that's the quickest plan with me I've ever done, but it's a small little book. You know what I mean? It's small, size of my hand. It's an A5, I think, or A6, A5. But yeah, other than that, Hope y'all like it. Like again, this is Essential Joy. Oh, let me use a quote for her. Let's see. I'm not a wing it type of girl. Let's do this one. My to-do list has a to-do list. You know what, let me put it right here. Oh, that is so cute. I like this whole little section right here. Let me see if I can make her cute. I'm not saying that she's not cute, but let me see. That's cute. I like it. It's like they have a whole little, like she did the whole little sticker together like that. It's cute. All right, y'all. So that's it for that. This is Essential Joy. I will tag her down because she does have a YouTube and all that. So I'll tag her on YouTube. I love it. The reason I got these was because they all went together and I wanted to use it like the way I use them right now. So, and that's what I like so far with her stickers are just like mine and Steph's stickers. They all go together. Like you can take from whichever ones. And if you haven't noticed, a lot of my stickers go with Steph's stuff too. Which is, we didn't plan it like that, but we did kind of like it does whatever. Me and Steph from Designer Porter Arts, I love her to death. Yeah. So helpful. Especially when I first started, she was like helping. Not a lot of people do that in Shopwise. So, but she did. And recently I had somebody reach out to me about shop stuff and I was like, yes, I'll tell you whatever I know. Super excited. And I can't wait for y'all to find out about that too. So other than that, I'm getting a call from, my admin meeting, so I have to let y'all go. Talk to y'all later. Be good and all that. Look, y'all can say hi to everybody. That's Trika, and that's Vicky.
Hey.
But y'all be good. Don't give nobody the power to ruin your day, and give yourself grace and do some gratitude in the morning. Bye.